I want some sleep. It's a really scary time. I'm so sorry.
Watch. Learn English conversation from movies.
Can I borrow some money?
No.
I need that food. You're a monster.
I also feel good. I also feel good.
You are so lucky to work for her.
I know.
Harper, I'm gonna take a nap.
What are you still doing here? What are you still doing here?
Well, I don't need to be free. I need to be promoted.
This is very thorough.
Thank you.
Hey, you look amazing. Hey, you look amazing. That is incredible. That is incredible. Look, I know this is annoying.
They hate each other. They hate each other.
Why are you wearing that?
You ready to order yet?
Not yet. But I'd love some more chips.
Sure.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Why don't you just quit?
Are you insane? That is probably not true.
It is true.
You're a terrible assistant.
You a good guy. Do you know that?
What are you doing here? I should probably go home.
I think we did something really good.
Me too.
You lied to me. You lied to me. It was never okay. I'm telling Kirsten the whole truth.
Stop talking. You're fired.
What?
Get out.
This is exciting. Oh my God. This is the best meal I've ever had. You sound insane.
What's my favorite food?
Hey,
What do you want?
you live here? It's disgusting.
I learned so much from you. You're my hero.
I like you. So much.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are well. If you want to learn English from movie, so this channel is special for you. अगर आप भी मूवी से अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो इन वीडियो को बार बार देखें ताकि आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकें। इन वीडियो में मैंने हिंदी और उर्दू सबटाइटल ऐड किए हैं जिनको आप देखकर अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में बोले जाने वाली इंग्लिश को सीख सकेंगे। अगर हमारा चैनल आपको पसंद आया है तो इन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड वीडियो को लाइक करें ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता रहे और मैं इस तरह की वीडियो आपके लिए बनाता रहूं। तो चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Thanks for watching